AI agents sound complicated because most people start with the wrong question. They ask, "What tool should I use?" A better question is, "What repeated workflow needs a small decision inside it?" That is the difference between a simple automation and an AI agent workflow. An automation follows fixed steps. For example, when a form is submitted, send an email. If this happens, do that. An AI agent workflow can read information, evaluate it, and choose the next step inside a narrow system. That does not make it magic. It does not mean it should run your whole business. And it definitely does not mean you should connect it to private data before testing it. In this video, I will show you the first AI agent workflow a beginner should build. A research topic to action plan system. The input is simple. A topic and a few notes. The output is useful. Key questions, a source checklist, a summary, uncertain claims, and next actions. Step 1 is choosing a narrow job. Do not start with, "Build me an agent for my business." That is too vague. Start with a repeated task that has a clear input and a clear output. Good beginner jobs are: turn notes into action items, summarize research into a brief, classify support questions, draft a weekly update, or prepare a checklist from a project brief. For your first agent, narrow is better. Step 2 is mapping the workflow before choosing tools. Write it in plain English. Receive a topic. Ask clarifying questions. Create a research checklist. Summarize notes. Extract claims and uncertainties. Suggest next actions. And send the result to a review document. That is the workflow. Now you can decide what AI should do and what a human should approve. AI can draft questions. AI can summarize notes. AI can classify claims. But a human should approve sources, facts, and final decisions. Step 3 is writing the agent rules. This is where beginners often go wrong. They give the AI too much freedom. A better rule set is specific. You are a research workflow assistant. Your job is to organize notes, identify missing information, and create next actions. Do not invent facts. If information is missing, mark it as unknown. Do not give legal, medical, or financial advice. Do not use private data unless it was provided in this workflow. These rules do not make the agent perfect, but they give it boundaries. Step 4 is adding small decision points. An agent workflow needs decisions, but they should be narrow. For this example, the agent can decide: is the topic clear or unclear? Are the notes enough or incomplete? Are the claims confirmed or uncertain? Is the next action research, writing, or human review? Those are useful decisions. They are not too broad. Step 5 is choosing no-code building blocks. The exact tool matters less than the structure. You need 4 pieces: a trigger, an AI step, a place to store the result, and a review step. The trigger could be a form, a spreadsheet row, a note, or a manual button. The AI step analyzes the text. The storage step could be a document, spreadsheet, database, or project board. The review step is where a human checks the output before anything important happens. For version 1, do not connect automatic email sending, customer messaging, payments, or private files. Build the workflow with safe test data first. Step 6 is testing with one fake example. Use a topic like how small businesses use AI for customer support. Give the agent a short set of notes. It should return main questions, a source checklist, a summary, uncertain claims, and next actions. If the output is vague, tighten the rules. If it invents facts, add stronger source rules. If it creates too many tasks, limit the output. If it misses risks, add a risk check section. That is how agent workflows improve. Test, review, adjust, repeat. Here is the main idea. Your first AI agent should not be powerful. It should be understandable. If you cannot explain what the workflow receives, what it decides, and what it produces, it is too complicated. Start with one narrow workflow. Keep human review in the loop. Use safe test data. then improve the system one step at a time. That is how AI agents become useful. Not as autonomous magic, but as controlled workflows that help you move from messy information to clear next actions.